Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Now we have x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5, x plus 3 is equals to 945. So making coefficient of x in second and third factor as unity we have. So we will write x plus 1. Now we will take 2 common and we will get x plus 3 over 2 inside the bracket. Again we will take 2 common and we have x plus 5 over 2 into x plus 3 equals to 945. Right? So now we will see which of the two terms we have to combine. See, this is 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Also 3 plus 2 plus 5 over 2. This is equals to, taking the LCM, we have 8 over 2 which is equals to 4. So it means 1 plus 3 can be combined and 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2 can be combined. So now we will combine x plus 1, x plus 3. Secondly, we will combine 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 5. This is equals to 945. So now quickly we will do the multiplication. We have x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 into 2 times is 4, x square plus 10x plus 6x plus 15 equals to 945. So x square plus 4x plus 3 into 4x square plus 16x plus 15 is equals to 945. So here you can see we have x plus 4x and here we have 4x square plus 16x. It means if we label this term, if we assign this term a variable y, we can assign this term a variable 4y. Right? Because here we have x square plus 4x. Here we have 4 times of this term. So we can write 4y. So we will replace x square plus 4x with y plus 3 into, here we will replace with 4y plus 15 and this is equals to 945. Do remember this part is done just for the sake of the solution, right? In this way our solution gets easier. So 4y into y is 4y square plus 15y. 4 3 times is 12y. 15 3 times is 45 and this is equals to 945. So 4y square plus 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12 is 27y plus 45. Now we will take 945 to the left hand side of equality. This is equals to 0. 4y square plus 27y plus 45 minus 945. This is equals to minus 900 and this is equals to 0. Let me decide to solve this part through factorization method. So we want two terms p and q, we suppose, whose addition should give us 27 and whose multiplication should give us the multiplication of 4 and 900, which is the position of AC when we compare this term with the standard form of quadratic equation, right? So what is the value of AC? Our value of A is 4 and C is 900, right? So this is very difficult to find the pairs of this term. So we will split this term. In this way our factorization will become easier. See, 4 into 900. We can write 900 as 9 into 100. I hope this is not difficult. This is equals to 4 into 9. We can write 9 as 3 into 3. 100, we can write it as 25. 4 times is 100, right? So now we will take two pairs which can give us 27 by addition and 3600 by multiplication. So by working I found 4 into 3 into 4. This is one pair, and next pair we will take 3 into 25. Let's check it out. 3 4 times is 12 and 12 4 times is 48 into 25 3 times is 75. So 48 and 75. Yes, this is the true pair because 45 into 75 is equals to 3600. You can check by multiplication. And 75 and 75 plus minus 48. When we will add these two terms, we will get 27. So yes, this is the true pair. Now we will break this term. 4y square plus 75y minus 48y minus 900 is equals to 0. So we can take y common from first two terms. Inside the bracket we have 4y plus 75. Taking minus, and we will take 12 common because 12 is the multiple of both of these terms. 12 common, we have 12 4 times is 48, y minus minus is plus, and 12 how many times is 900. Let's check out. 12 1 times is 12, 12 7 times is 84. So 6 are remaining. This is 60. 12 5 times is 60. So 75. 12 75 times is 900. So 4y plus 75. Either this term is equals to 0 or y minus 12, this is equals to 0. First we consider y minus 12 is equals to 0. But y is equals to x square plus 4x minus 12, and this is equals to 0. So now we will take two factors. Let me take 6x minus 2x because 6 minus 2 is 4 and 6 2 times is 12. Minus 12 equals to 0. Taking x common, we have x plus 6. Taking minus 2 common, we have x minus minus plus 2. 6 times is 12. So x plus 6 or x minus 2 equals to 0. From here we have x is equals to minus 6 and x is equals to 2. So these are the two values of the solution set. Next, we have 4y plus 75 is equals to 0. But 4y is equals to 4x square plus 16x. 4x square plus 16x plus 75 is equals to 0. So we will apply quadratic formula. We have the value of a 4, value of b 16, value of c 75. So to apply the quadratic formula is more preferable since it's easier to solve. So we have x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So putting the values, we have x is equals to minus b plus minus b square, which means square of 16 minus 4a, the value of a is 4 and the value of c is 75 over 2a. 2 4 times is 8. So x is equals to minus 16 plus minus the square of 16 is 256. 256 minus 4 times is 16 and 16 75 times is 1200 divided by 8. So x is equals to minus 16 plus minus 256 minus 1200. This is equals to minus 944 divided by 8. So let me break 944 and we have 2 4 times is 8, 2 7 times is 14, 2 2 times is 4, 2 2 times is 4, 2 3 times is 6 and 2 6 times is 12. 2 1 times 2, 2 1 times 2 and 2 8 times is 16. 2 5 times is 10 and 2 9 times is 18 and 59 1 times is 59. So we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 59, which means 2 square into 2 square into 59. So putting the value, we have minus 16 plus minus, we have minus sign and 944. We will write 2 square into 59 divided by 8. X is equals to minus 16 plus minus square will be cancelled with the square root and 2 times is 4. It will be written outside the bracket. Inside the bracket we have minus 59 over 8. So x is equals to minus 16 plus minus 4 and minus under root 1 is equals to iota. So we will write iota into under root 59 over 8. From here we will take 4 common. We have minus 4 plus minus iota into 59 over 8. So 4 1 times is 4 and 4 2 times is 8. X is equals to minus 4 plus minus iota under root 59 over 2. So this is the value of x. So now we will write all the three values of x in the solution set, which is equals to minus 4 plus minus iota 59 over 2 and the value of x minus 6 and the value of x 2, minus 6 and 2. So this is the solution set of this question. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also give your feedback in the comment section below. In the next video, we will study type number 3. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified with every new video which is uploaded on my channel. Thank you very much.